Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be using the Gel X system to create this look that I'm going for today, which is quite bright, kind of spring-like. So I've already done my actual nail prep by pushing back the cuticles and nipping them. So I'm gonna get right into the actual prep for the tips by reshaping the cuticle area so that they fit my nails a little bit better. So using my e-file and a small drill bit, I'm just gonna etch the inside of all of the tips. So before application, we're going to apply a pH bonder to the natural nail as well as a primer to the natural nail. And then I'm going to go in with the Apres Gel and apply a thin layer of that to all of my nails before curing in my lamp for 60 seconds. So I'll be using my Kiara Sky Flash Cure Lamp today. I've got it sitting on my little diamond paperweight. Sitting this up a little bit higher makes it easier for the application process. One of my subscribers suggested that, and this has worked really great for me, so thank you. So I'm going to apply the Extend Gel to the inside of the tips. I'm going to apply a thin layer, and then the excess gel that's on the brush, I'm just going to scrape that off at the cuticle area of the nail tip before firmly pressing these onto my natural nail, sliding my hand in the lamp to cure for about 10 seconds, a quick flash cure before moving on to the next nail. Now for this portion of the video, everything is in real time. So the actual tip application, I like to leave it in real time so you guys see how long this actually takes me to apply. After flash curing all of the nails, I do cure for a full 60 seconds in my large nail lamp. Here I'm just going to be using my e-file and a small drill bit to go around the cuticle area to remove any of that excess gel that seeped out during application. So here I'm going to go around the cuticle area with this ceramic bit to further remove any excess gel that still may be there. Also to go ahead and seal in the cuticle area. This is going to make the tips more flush to the natural nail and cuticle so that it looks a little bit more natural and not as tip-like, if that makes sense. This just kind of makes sure there is a seamless transition between your cuticle and the tips. Next, I'm going to go in with a buffing block to remove all of the shine from the tips. So I did want these to be a little bit shorter and a little bit more almond shape as opposed to stiletto. So I'm going to clip the tip of the nails off and then reshape these into an almond shape. So I'm going to be applying a base gel to all of my nails. This is not a necessary step when you're applying gel polish over extensions. I, however, find that my gel polish applies a little bit smoother, and this also kind of adds an extra layer of strength to your tips. So I do like to do this even though it is not necessary. So for today's gel polish, I'm going to be using Madam Glam's Your One in a Melon, and I do apply 2 coats of this to all of my nails. So I'm going to be using a chrome dust from Magpie Beauty in the color Shelly, and this is what I'm going to be applying to get that reflective nail. So what works best for me when it comes to applying a chrome powder or chrome dust is to apply this directly onto the gel polish once it's cured. Immediately after curing, I'm going to take this out of the lamp and just kind of rub this in with my finger. You can use an applicator if you like, but I find that my finger works really well to just really push the product into the gel polish. So I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds, and immediately after removing my hand from the lamp, I'm going to rub the chrome powder into the fully cured gel polish with my finger. So I'm going to be using another product from Magpie Beauty. This is a loose glitter in the color Flora, and this is just a pink, coral, blue, gold, reflective type of glitter. So I'm going to be applying this with the Extend Gel from Apres. I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that to my nail and then sprinkle the loose glitter into the wet gel and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm going to be using the Extend Gel again to encapsulate this nail. If you don't encapsulate loose glitter, you are going to have a bumpy nail. It's going to be very textured and you'll be able to feel the glitter on the nail. I prefer the surface to be smooth, so I'm going to use this gel to encapsulate, and then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. So next, I'm going to be using the top coat or the gel top coat from Apres. I don't know what happened to the footage, but I did apply top coat. And then finally, we're just going to apply some cuticle oil to my cuticles. My hands were super duper dry, so this was much needed. But that is the finished product, you guys. I thought these were super pretty. I love the chrome, the glitter, the pink. It is just so spring. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.